para hindi makuha nitong Beda yung kanilang rhythm as early as now para hindi sila makapag-set ng plays nila.
That's right. And look at this. They take the ball away from Eugen, pressuring him. Montecillo. Villunar gets it. Pau will wait. That's a time on the shot. Got up and under. Sneaking move by Pau Villunar. Comes up short. Ball is tapped to Jomel Puno. Songkuya waits. And San Beda sets it up. Penny. Spray. Puno. 3. Got it. Jomel Puno opens the scoring for the defending champs. Inbound, pasa, Monje scores. Letran with the steal and the score. They're now pressuring San Beda at the backcourt. Andrada. Jomel Puno stops and waits. Penny rhythm 3 as Tasio knocks it down.
Binawi agad yung turnover. Perfect way para ma-break itong press ng San Beda. Hanapin nyo yung forward pass agad para yung San Beda hindi na makapag-set up.
Kobe Monje knocks it down.
Para lang pressurein yung nag-inbound ng bola and bihira mo yan makikita unless gustong-gusto mo talaga.
Eman Tagle picking up where he left off. Too strong. And Payosing skies for the rebound. Bounce pass, Lina puts it up in it.
Consistent itong San Beda sa kanilang ball movement.
From just inside the arc, AJ Royo. Payosing, nakawala si James Payosing.
Yan ang space. And you have to be ready for that.
Hindi ko side agenda ni Coach Yuri.
Let us hope na hindi sila pagbayarin ng Letran na wala na silang challenge pagdating ng dulo.
Right.
Kasi kakailanganin nila yun.
Estrada passing upon the shot, and that's why Kobe Monje nailing his second triple here in the first. He's got 10 points.
Yes, and aasahan. Yan, isa yun sa mga dapat talaga nating asahan. Especially, nakikita natin yung mga bigs nila na pume-pressure din.
Letran executing in the fast break. Biro lang, Ray. Of course, he's one of the assistant coaches nito ni Coach Allen Ricardo, being a Letran legend himself. Bagsak si Guahao. 9 to shoot for Jimboy. Guahao, step back 3. Kaboom! 29-25.
Na si Bismarck tumatakbo up and down. Mapapagod yan.
That's right. Jimboy, stop and pop. He drains it, and Letran opens up their largest lead in the first half, 31-25.
Pagdating ng dulo, nabibitin sila.
At dito, 8 na.
At dito, 8 na sa second quarter na meron pang 5 and 45 seconds.
That was a contested jumper made by Kevin Santos. End up by Letran.
That was a tough shot para dito kay Estrada. Nasa likuran na siya ng board. Pero nakuha pa rin niya yun.
Siyam na puntos para kay Jimboy. Nigel Gonzalez counters right back with his own baseline, Jay.
Yes, and that's to stop the bleeding mula dito sa Letran kasi meron na ata silang 8 or 6-0 run.
Letran has outscored San Beda 13-4, make that 15-4 as Villunar scores inside.
I like what I'm seeing with Letran. They're sharing the basketball really, really well, leading to open shots.
Yeah. Now, as we take a look at the series of plays for the Letran Knights, Jimboy Estrada with a mid-range sniping. The master of the midi.
Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, nasa likod na siya ng board. Pero mo, nasipat niya pa yun.
At ito pa, Pau Villunar again manning the paint. Not looking for the outside shot. Instead, using his size and frame. That's only the first offensive rebound for Letran in this game. Jace Miller behind the back. Tapigan ni Payosing. 2-on-2 break. Eman Tagle will score. And San Beda cuts into the deficit.
Heat check lang. Kasi medyo mainit siya nung umpisa eh.
Yeah.
Baka meron pa.
Pass to Tagle. Almost fumbled it. They swing to the corner. Back to Nigel for 3. Nigel knocks it down.
Mas Mamba.
It's the masked man.
Oo, marami nagsasabi na pag nakamask ka, mahirap maglaro. Pero para kay Nigel, ginamit niya yun as pang-target ng wing.
Yeah. Sanay na yan. Pangalawang beses niya sa kanyang career. Nakamaskara itong si Nigel Gonzalez. They swing it to Jimboy. Oh! Jimboy Estrada with the answer.
I love what I'm seeing. Itong San Beda and Letran are both enjoying. So this is what NCAA Season 100 has been all about.
Yeah.
This entire round robin.
That's right. Payosing ahead. Payosing! Yes!
Basket and a count!
James Payosing. End-to-end action for San Beda.
He's awake.
Yeah. This is the old James Payosing that we know, taking it away, passing it to Nigel Gonzalez, and then getting it back for this finish in transition.
Ganda. Napakaganda nitong laban na to. Kaya sa mga...
Operate. Oh, Penny misses the layup.
That was a sorry miss para dito sa San Beda. Pero again,
pero itong Letran, what a find! Jimboy Tupao underneath.
nagbunga yung hard work ni Javellinar, mga players, dahil doon sa mga last second na decision ng depensa na magpakita. So malaking bagay yun. Kaya sabi nga ng mga coaches, mas okay na malate ka na basta nandudun ka. Kasi magbabago yung tira niyan.
Estrada finds the bottom of the net.
Mr. Hot Hand Estrada.
42-45. Kobe Monje. Montecillo. To Kobe.
Wow!
Nicely executed by Letran.
Napakaganda. Kalaban nila yung EAC.
Three-pointer number 8 for Letran. Bismarck Lina. And one.
Basket comes for JD Lina.
What a wonderful pass from Yuki and Andrada.
Tingnan mo muna itong si Cuau papunta kay Nat Montecillo, making it from long distance. And then afterwards, Jumel Puno, Yukien, Bismarck Lina, 3 bigs.
Connection.
Passing for San Beda for that hoop. Free throw coming up for Lina. That's just great defense played by Letran. They're playing the San Beda players right on defense.
Alam mo, Martin, itong Letran, ito yung pinaka-best na laro na nakita ko mula sa kanila the entire round robin of the NCAA Season 100.
And the sniping continues for Nat Montecillo. That is his third triple of the game. Now is it Tagle. Tagle knocks it down.
Tagle.
Jimboy will back down. Sending it out. Monje for 3. Monje.
Napakainit. Hindi pa rin nata nagmimintis ito si Monje. 5 out of 5.
6 out of 6 na. Itong si Kobe Monje. We got a foul here. Hold on. Montecillo draining it from the corner. Over the defender. And then on the other side, Eman Tagle with daylight.
Pinag-uusapan natin kanina prior to this game kung gaano kainit yung San Beda nung nakaraang game nila. Ngayon, Letran yung gumagawa nun sa kanila. Imagine mo si Montecillo yung mainit, Estrada na mainit.
Eman Tagle ilalapit. Jomel Puno, one dribble in. Puno drops it in. Jace Miller. Falling down Miller. Lost it. Here come the Red Lions. Payosing is on the move. And Payosing scores. Yukien showing aggression. Yukien up and in. Plus the foul. That
Perfect read.
Yeah. On cue after Christine's report. Yukien Andrada.
Making sure his presence is felt.
Look at this. Short jumper and then the drive afterwards.
And they got the lead back.
Yeah. Pampalamang para sa San Beda Red Lions. Payosing was there. Here's Puno on the move. Jomel all the way!
Parang tumigil sa ere, pare. Napansin mo ba yun? After nung hard dribble na yun, tapos mahabang step.
Jimboy. Wow from the corner. He drops it in. Leo Cuajao. Oh, yeah.
Wow. Leo Cuajao. Ibang klase kayo, Letran and San Beda.
Fire extinguisher for Cuajao. 8 points across his name. Puno. Ayosing, pinag-iisipan ng galaw. James back to Yubieno. And Montesilio grabs the rebound.
Relax lang. Relax lang kasi maababa yan. Hindi natin kailangan magmadali, sabi nito ni Montesilio.
An opportunity to regain control. Estrada takes it right away. Jimboy puts Letran back in front with their 10th lead change of the game.
Interest na nabitin lang sila nung huli. Pero ngayon, they are now up by 2 with 6 minutes left sa final quarter natin.
Jomel Puno. Paint is too tight. Bismarck Lina against Avillonar. Royo from the corner. No go. Puno comes out of nowhere. Wala pa rin. He follows up his own miss.
Yan, medyo fine line yan dun sa traveling at saka hindi traveling.
Oh.
And in that case, the referee called for the travel.
Yeah. 65 apiece. Oh, Estrada got the lane. Estrada scores down the middle.
That was a wide open layup. Siyempre, mainit sa 3 points, di ba?
Payosing. Bismarck Lina. Yes! Lina delivers again.
Good find. Good find and good screen para dito sa San Beda, to get Bismarck Lina open. And alam natin, medyo buong game. Medyo sakto lang yung ingay na binibigay ni Bismarck. And ngayon na crucial, nagpaparamdam siya ulit.
Bismarck Lina with 9 points. Another chance. They trusted the team captain. Avillonar! Masyado malakas.
Subok lang. Subok lang ulit. Baka.
Final minute. Payosing for the tie! And one! James Payosing!
Martin, hindi ko alam kung masaya yung San Beda crowd dahil nag-all o dahil Payosing is back.
Yeah.
The season 99 Payosing is back.
Yeah. Maybe both. James Payosing. Yeah, this is
Napatayong
finals
lahat.
MVP form. 45.4 seconds. Let's see what Letran drew up. Estrada for the lead. Yes! Jimboy forces a change of hands. And Letran is back in front.
Akin na. Akin na yung bola.
It's 4:30, almost at least, and it's been a crazy day in the NCAA. Jimboy Estrada banking this one home on a Sunday to give Letran back the lead.
Hindi ka pwedeng humelp doon kasi mainit yung Letran sa tira sa labas.
Yeah. We have about an 8-second difference between the clocks. Estrada against Puno. Pull-up jumper. Got it! Jimboy Estrada!
That is his sweet spot. Kung mapapansin mo, bago niya inatake yun, pinaalis na yung big man niya doon.
Yeah.
Kasi ang nasa corner niya si Cuajao.
San Beda can go for the tie here. They have another chance. Puno, Andrada, Payosing for the tie. Short. Rebound goes to Montesilio. Scramble for the ball. And Letran looks like they will hold on here.
What a game.
Holding foul on number 34.
Wow.
JB Lina penalty. Fourth foul on JB Lina.
The Letranistas in Phil Oil are feeling it. Let him cook. Jimboy Estrada nails another big shot.
Grabe. Jimboy, ikaw na.
Yeah.
Ikaw na, pare. Ikaw na. Wala ka nang ibang hihingin pa. In short, what would you expect?
Yeah.
If you're the defender playing against Jimboy and the entire game.
So Montesilio on the second one makes it. And that's all she wrote.
Yes, and wala na silang timeout. So no need to play defense.
Gonzalez with a heave and Letran gets it done. They exact revenge on their arch rivals.
Martin, mabigat to kasi yung San Beda, meron silang Coach Yuri na galing sa championship.
That's right. 75-71 is the final score. And our CDO Chicken player of the game, sino pa ba? Jimboy Estrada with 24 points, 5 rebounds, 9 assists today. CDO Chicken Franks, taste the meaty chicken. Sarap.
Martin, parehas tong team natin. May personnel na galing dun sa kaka-champion lang.
Yeah.
Merong Coach Yuri at meron ding Stingray. Pero yung mga galawan kanina ni Jimboy Estrada, parang ano eh. Stingray, okay ba yun? Meron na ba siyang, nakuha ba niya yung approval mo?
Malamang saludo dun si Stingray. But how about Letran staying alive in the Final Four race?